Clean ash fast and safely. Check out the best ash vacuums for fireplaces, stoves, and grills, durable, heat-resistant, and mess-free. Fire broom. Starting at number 1. Snow Joe Bagless Ash Vacuum. Snow Joe Bagless Ash Vacuum Cleaner Machine, model ASHJ201, is a rugged, 4.8-gallon electric ash vac designed to make cleaning cold ashes from fireplaces, wood/pellet stoves, fire pits, and barbecue grills quick and easy. It features a metal canister with a self-contained, bag-free design for simple emptying, and a dual filtration system, coarse pre-filter plus fine pleated filter, to trap ash dust and keep air cleaner while you work. The powerful 4-amp motor delivers strong suction, and included accessories like the metal-reinforced hose and aluminum intake nozzle help reach tight spaces. Onboard storage for the cord and hose, a safety stop switch, easy carry handle, and 2-year warranty add convenience and peace of mind. Number 2. Porter Cable 4-gallon Ash Vacuum. Porter Cable 4-gallon 4-peak HP Ash Vacuum PCX18184 is a corded ash vacuum built to make cleanup of cold ash easier and less dusty around fireplaces, wood-burning stoves, bonfire pits, pellet stoves, and barbecue grills. It comes with a 4-gallon metal tank, a 4-peak horsepower motor, and a dual filter system, cartridge filter plus pre-filter, that helps trap fine ash dust and keep it from spreading back into the air. The unit includes useful accessories like a metal hose and aluminum extension wand for reaching tight areas, and it features a flip-up handle and an 8-foot power cord for easier transport and storage. The compact, lightweight design makes it simple to carry and store when not in use, and it's backed by a 3-year limited warranty. While many users appreciate its sturdy build and convenience for small to medium ash cleanup, some reviewers note that suction isn't as strong as larger models and hoses can clog more easily during heavy use. Number 3. Vacmaster VOC 508S11025 gallon. The Vacmaster VOC 508S11025 gallon stainless steel wet/dry shop vacuum and 3-gallon ash tank combo is a versatile cleaning solution designed for both general messes and cold ash cleanup. It features a 5-gallon stainless steel wet/dry vacuum paired with a 3-gallon dedicated ash tank, making it ideal for fireplaces, wood-burning stoves, barbecue grills, garages, and workshops. Powered by a robust 8-amp motor, it delivers strong suction for wet and dry debris and even functions as a blower for clearing leaves or loose materials. The combo comes with a range of accessories, including the main vacuum hose, metal ash hose, aluminum wand, extension wands, and various nozzles, allowing easy access to tight spaces. Its onboard storage keeps the hose, cord, and tools organized, while the dedicated ash tank protects the main filter by collecting fine ash separately, reducing mess and extending filter life. This makes the VOC 508S combo a practical, all-in-one solution for home, garage, and outdoor cleaning tasks. Number 4. Pellethead Asphalt Pro Vacuum. Pellethead Asphalt Pro Vacuum is a 5-gallon, 10-amp ash vacuum built to make cleaning cold and warm ash from fireplaces, pellet stoves, barbecue grills, fire pits, and similar areas fast and safe. It features a stainless steel tank, heat-resistant dual HEPA filtration system that captures fine ash particles without blowing them back into the air, and a metal-lined hose designed to handle fine ash safely. The unit comes with a 7-foot hose, a 10-foot power cord, useful attachments like a brush and crevice tool, and a rolling base for easy maneuverability, helping you reach tight spots and awkward angles while cleaning. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this compact but powerful ash vacuum offers strong suction, durable construction, and effective ash containment to simplify maintenance and keep your spaces cleaner with less mess. Number 5. Shop-Vac 404-1300 Ash Vacuum. The Shop-Vac 404-1300 Ash Vacuum is a 5-gallon stainless steel ash vacuum designed specifically to clean up cold ashes from fireplaces, wood and pellet stoves, coal stoves, barbecue grills, and similar areas without spreading ash dust back into the air. It's powered by a 6.3-amp bypass motor with a thermal protective device for safety, and uses a two-stage filtration system that combines a stationary metal screen with an efficient HEPA cartridge filter to trap fine ash and dust inside the tank. The vacuum includes a 4-foot lock-on vinyl-covered steel hose, metal intake nozzle, metal crevice tool, and a pellet stove cleaning kit so you can reach tight spots and deep corners during cleanup. Its stainless steel tank is durable and easy to empty, and the unit comes with a 2-year home use warranty for peace of mind.